friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In this video, we're doing a flip through of March in my Plum Paper 7x9 hourly. So let's get started. I really had a lot of fun with March. I feel like I had some really great kits. It was my mom's birthday, my nephew's birthday, my birthday, so it was just a really good month all around. Spring hit us here in Northern California, so we started having some really nice weather. So March was a lot of fun. So let's start off with my index page. These are florals from my Happy Planner Flowers book. I don't know. I don't think I pulled this off. I really liked these pieces here. And of course, I love the big flowers. And I don't know, I was trying to do something that kind of went diagonally across the page. I don't know. I don't think it looks great. I like the stickers. I just don't think I did them justice. But oh well, it is what it is. So that's my index page. And then for my monthly highlights, and then also for my month view, I used a kit from Palm and Oak Paper. So that's what these are here. I have this little cute real life sticker from Krissyanne Designs. All of these came from the kit. These little icons here are from Nicole Hutch Designs, and then this little podcast one here is from Planner Kate. These are just notes from just some meetings and things like that. And I still need to go back and write down my memory. We did go up north to see my aunt, and so that was a great time. So I kind of want to write about that, as well as all of the birthdays. So I still have to go back and do that. And then here's the monthly spread. I thought these little tulips in this March kit were super, super cute, and I loved this green. So most of these stickers, some of these are from the kit. These ones here, this is a Planner Kate. And then these ones here are also Planner Kate. And then the PK New Release stickers, obviously from Planner Kate. This is a rescheduled sticker from Krissyanne Designs. But everything is pretty much part of the kit. This here is, I think this is a Nicole Hutch. No, maybe it's a Fern Creek stickers. It was a sheet that I got with all of the holidays. And then this payday, these are Planner Kate. So pretty straightforward, nice clean look to the month. Not a whole lot necessarily going on. Spring break was towards the end of the month. We did go up to our place at Old Greenwood, which was a lot of fun. And then of course, like I said, we had a lot of birthdays. Okay, so week one, I love this kit. This is a Krissyanne Designs kit. It's called New Day. So it's just all color. I love the colors in these. These edit scripts here, these are from Planner Kate. This little thermometer here is from Phoenix Plans. And these little basketballs and soccer balls are from Planner Kate, but the rest is from the kit. You do have to use, these are vinyl stickers, so you do have to use a permanent ink pen for those. This was my favorite. I love this sticker. Don't forget to be awesome. I chuckled when I saw that. I thought it was super, super cute. But I loved all these full boxes, and then I framed them like I normally do with some of my thin washi. So I just thought those came out really cute. This is also a Planner Kate little script, I think she calls them mini event scripts, I think. So that was that. This is just, again, like I said, we went to go see my aunt up north, and then Otis came with us. He had so much fun. He was a country dog. She lives on an acre of land and just had like this big open space, and he was roaming around like a real dog, not a city dog. So we just had a great time up there. So that's week one. And then week two, this one is from Orange Umbrella Co. It's called Happy Spring, Happy Summer. I love this. So this one just made me, I called this one Candy Pop. It just makes me think of candy. I loved the colors and how they're bright, but they weren't this kind of bright. You know what I mean? Like, does that make sense? I just thought it was so sweet. I love green, pink, and orange. This hot pink is super cute. So yeah, a lot of this came from the kit. This is a Krissyanne Designs sticker that I thought looked cute on that full box. And then this one is from Nicole Hutch Designs. Again, the same Phoenix plans and Planner Kate icons here. This is also a Planner Kate script here. This little guy, Enjoy the Little Things, this actually came from a Happy Planner book. So just pulling in little odds and ends that I have. Same thing here, Best Weekend Ever. That was from Happy Planner as well. Tried my hand at a little of my hand lettering. So I did that there. We went snowshoeing. That was so much fun. I mean, talk about a workout. That was really, really a good time. So yeah, so this was week 2. I really liked this kit. I loved all my kits in March. Okay, so this one, So week 3, this is Planner Kate, kit 313. It's called Soft Succulent. Friends, this is, I think, my new all-time favorite kit. Like, I just, you know, I love the florals. I love kind of that watercolor look. Just all the different blues and the pinks and just the soft textures. Like, it's just gorgeous. I picked this kit because it was my mom's birthday that Sunday. We had a little party for her at my brother's house, just our immediate family. So I think this is all Planner Kate, except my habits. That's always Nicole Hutch Designs. And then this little recycle icon up here is Big Elephant Plans. I'm trying to think if there's anything else here that might not be Planner Kate. I think all the rest of the stuff, these are just, yeah, Planner Kate things. So kind of, it looks busier than it really was because I filled in my white space with these beautiful full boxes. I love framing them with the skinny washi. That washi that I got from Amazon is really proving to be useful and worth its weight in gold because I'm finding colors that really mix and match and coordinate with a lot of different kinds of kits. So this was really a fun, full week. I liked how kind of under my blocked off work day, I was doing all my little to-dos, errands, don't forget, like just kind of calling it something different every day. And then tracking my meals down here. I really liked this week. It was so fun to plan this week. It's like I didn't want the week to end because I didn't want to stop using this kit. And now I'm eyeing it again, like maybe I'll just buy another one for like next year. Oh my gosh. So that was week 3. Oh my gosh, I can't believe March is already gone. So yeah, so that's that. And then the final week in March was my birthday week. This is Planner Kate Kit 310, Birthday Girl. I think a lot of this, again, is from Planner Kate. This is a Fern Creek sticker. It actually was like the little logo on one of her little freebies, and I just cut it because I had a Fern Creek stickers order come in that day. This Puppy Day, this came from the Palm and Oak Paper, the monthly kit. So in their monthly kit, it was really cool because they had all of those fun holidays for the month and what day they went on. So that was really fun. I liked that. But all this is Planner Kate. This is Nicole Hutch Designs, of course. These are Planner Kate. I loved the happy birthday full boxes. Again, Planner Kate icons here, and then of course here. This is a fortune cookie. Getting away for the weekend will help clear your mind. I just thought that was a good fortune, so I wanted to put it in my book. Tell me, do any of you do that when you get a good fortune that you like from a fortune cookie? Do you save them? I for the longest time had one on my computer at work that I really liked. And it was also referencing taking a vacation. So I tend to do that. I save my fortunes when I like them. So anywho, so this was my birthday week as well as my nephew, Jeff. He turned 20 this year. So it was his birthday week as well. So I really liked, these kits, I swear, for March. I just loved them so much. So yeah, so that was my birthday week. And then this was practice, actually. I was practicing for a week that I planned in April. The plan with me, because today's Thursday, April 8th, I think. And so that video will go up on Sunday. So I was practicing, and that's kind of one of the things I know this dead week really annoys some people or bothers people, but I really make use of it. So here I was practicing hand lettering because I wanted to do this spread. And so before I went for real in my week, I was practicing my lettering. Oftentimes I've used this for notes. I've seen other people using it as like just a memory page, or there was someone else that I saw used it for like their goal planning, kind of like in the style of the Moxie Life, how there's like, what is it, like 8 categories or areas of your life, and they each have a different color. I saw how she kind of color coded each column for each one of those areas of her life. I thought that was so cool. So I use these dead weeks. What I do, because there are more days in April in this week than there were in March, I planned this week in my April, in my April month. So that's kind of how I do it. So this ended up being a dead week that I loved having to use for practice lettering. Okay, enough about that, Christy. Okay, so then this is my monthly cleaning page. This is, again, that soft succulent kit, the washi from there. And then these are just Planner Kate, just kind of like open event labels. And then all these little scripts here, these little cuties, are from Phoenix Plans. And don't forget, we have a discount code, friends. It's bit.ly15 for 15% off your order. And she just created the cutest little bit.ly freebie. I have another video where I'll be showing you that. But also, if you check out my Instagram, I posted a picture of it on my Instagram. It's super cute. It's all about the cleaning and all of that. So these little garbage cans are also from Phoenix Plans. And then this little guy came from a freebie from Untitled Designs. And then these gals are Planner Kate. So this is how my monthly cleaning went. I did pretty good. I did not do a ton with the monthly focus because it was kind of a busy month. I was just really happy that I got my fridge washed out. So I totally took it all apart, like took all the shelves out and all the drawers and washed them and dried them and everything. So I have a really good clean fridge. So that was really good. But this monthly focus was centered around the bathrooms, and I just don't have we don't really have a lot out in our bathrooms. Like my bathrooms aren't like decorated. So some of this was like stock up on supplies. I'm like, well, okay, I have toilet paper and that kind of stuff. I do clean my floors all the time. I did not dust the light fixtures in there. And we don't like really have window treatments per se. Like the window is like, it's like, textured, frosted, like you can't see through it, so you don't need, and they're in the back of our house. It's not like we have a bathroom window that faces the front of the house or anything like that. So yeah, so I didn't do a ton of that. But that's my cleaning page. This also, I think this is also from that same little Nicole Hutch Designs freebie there, that little icon. Okay, so then this is my social media planning. This monthly spread page is out of an EC planner that I don't use, and I go into detail on that in the Plan With Me for my social media. But this has really been working out so well for me. I'm feeling really good about like my Instagram posting. I'm getting a little better at it. These event labels are just a Planner Kate sheet that I use. I almost have one sheet in every one of her colors. I think she's got like 23 or 24 colors, and this is just like from her functional stuff. But I love these because I like them on the monthly. And then I was tracking my social media growth. I'm really excited about that. That was really good. And then these washi here for sort of my task list, kind of checklist page. These are from the Birthday Girl kit from Planner Kate. And then this YouTube social media, this is from Big Elephant Designs. This is a little Planner Kate icon here. So that's pretty much it. That's my social media. And again, this whole method and having this little checklist has really been working great for me. And I love seeing everything laid out. Like I know exactly what's happening and what's going on. I'm loving my cleaning routine. I'm just flipping backwards here for you, friends. So you can see it one more time. So this is really working out. I really like it. And I've even like on on days where I know, like especially on the weekends, because I still do the majority of my cleaning on the weekends, which I know is kind of counter to what Clean Mama proposes, but it's just because of my work schedule, I really still have to do it. But I am breaking it up more so that it just doesn't feel like I'm spending my whole weekend cleaning. And it is working out great where I know, like on my birthday, we had the family over at my house. So I was like, okay, instead of doing the floors, I'm going to do the bathrooms because I like to have clean bathrooms, obviously, when people come over. And since I knew we would be eating and kids running around and all that kind of stuff, I wanted to do the floors the next day when everyone was gone and after the party. You know what I mean? Because your floors are always a mess after you have guests over or party or whatever. So that's been working out for me really well. When I need to switch things around, I will do that. But again, just looking at, oh, these kits are so fun. I just loved this little fringe garland here that she had in this washi and in this box here. So cute. Again, navy blue and pink. That's my color scheme. Those are my faves. And then going back through this week, oh, so pretty. Her kits were just really, really gorgeous. And then so much fun as we get into kind of this more candy pop color. And then just the vibrant colors of Krissyanne Designs. And then my palm and oak paper. This was the first time I used anything from their shop, and I really liked it. It was really nice. I liked these day headers there. Thought those were really great. And then just my highlights. And then back to my index with my Happy Planner florals. So I guess that's it for this video, friends. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.